Hello everybody, SA Absinku here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you how to remove follow option from your Facebook profile and show add friend button. So this is quick and simple, so let's start. First of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store. This is same as iPhone and Android. After that, open your Facebook account, go to your profile or menu option and scroll down and click to the setting and privacy option, and then click to the setting option, and then you can see your profile setting option here. Then click on that, and here you can see an option that privacy in the top. Click on that, and here you can see an option that who can send you friend request. So click on the everyone option. Mine one is on. So after that, come back and scroll down, and you can see public posts option. Click on that, and then you can see the first option is who can follow me. Now click on the friends option and click on the second one is also friends, and also click on the no one on the third option. After that, your follow button is gone and add friend button is now turned on. So this is the method that you can turn on your add friend button by removing the follow option. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tricks and tricks. Goodbye.